So now it's running. We just finished filling it up. And as you can see, it really overheated before. It was very low on refrigerant, and it melted the insulation here on this pipe. And it melted the insulation here on these wires. And after starting up, this motor is running hot. Doesn't feel the same as the other motor. So, pump. So I think this pump may have suffered some damage, some wear. Flywheel, just like a Toyota engine. There's our exhaust. This is what I've told many guys to do with their LG units, their Panasonics, their Fujitsus, is they could hide the units in the building and just duct them out. I hope the guys who set this up originally correctly did the pinouts to put the blowers, the condenser fan motors, into high static mode, because anytime they have two modes, you have to switch. No ducting. If you duct them, you have to switch them over so you know you're going to have some high static load on it. But that's easy, running off natural gas.